What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Hey, y'all got some time for me to drop some gems on y'all? Like I was saying, I just wanted to drop some gems on y'all, man. If you got all the right product, if you got all the right pieces, more than likely, your brand is going to be successful. All right? Don't half-ass your brand. All right? Now, before this video ends, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss nothing. All right? Now, a while back, I told you about one of my guys that I put on to the game. All right? So I didn't want him to jump in this game, blind. So there was certain things I told him to make sure, when he made his debut, everything came out proper. Like, I didn't want him to come out half-stepping. All right, so I got one of his pieces here. We're going to check it out, and we're going to see how he did. All right, we're going to see if he actually paid attention. All right, y'all, so let's get right into this joint. A couple of videos ago, I said that the name of his brand is Life Purpose. So I got, one of his hoodies. All right, we're just going to break this down real quick. All right, now you see he got it all bundled up real nice, clear poly bag. All right, he got that's his sticker right there, his Life Purpose sticker. All right, check that out. You see he got the Life Purpose. You can already see the Life Purpose design on the front of the hood. He got the size there. Hey, so far so good. So far so good. He was listening. All right, so let's open this bad boy up and check out the quality. All right. We got the Kelly green popping off. Okay. Another thing. Here we go. You got the Life Purpose hang tag. Check that joint out. All right, check it out. All right, now let's check the placement of it. All right, he put it in the wrist. All right, we're going to talk about that. All right, as far as the hoodie feels, let's just check out the logo on the front real quick. All right, the hoodie feels middleweight, not too heavy. All right, he got the white Life Purposes going across the chest. Feels like plastisol ink. All right. Nothing on the tips. All right, he got the Life. Oop, here we go. He got the Life Purpose, plastisol, size in there with his logo. Since this is made for me, it's a size 2X. Okay. So far, so good. Placement-wise of the logo on the front looks centered. Okay. Everything looked pretty decent. Look like I'm a good teacher so far. All right, so let me try this joint on and see how it feels. We're gonna see how it look, y'all. All right, give me a minute. Yeah. This green look real good on me. What y'all think? Screen look real good on me. All right, the hoodie feel good, nice and comfortable. All right, as far as the price point, if you want to holler at him, you want to see, see how much these joints cost. I'm gonna leave all his information down below in the video. Yeah, so like I was saying, man, if you're paying attention to everything that I'm putting out here, man, you definitely gonna be successful. Like I said, when he first came to me, he said this is what he wanted to do. I didn't want him to jump out the window. There were certain things that I told him that he should do, and he listened. All right. Now, some of the things that I use and he used as well, as far as like packaging and materials. I'm a put a clip of you know, some of my recent orders, how I got them all packaged up, and you know, you can make your own comparisons and see if he did good or whatnot. But I'm gonna show you guys some of the materials that I do use when I package up, you know, my garments, if I'm making them myself and I'm not going the whole cut and sew route where that's already done for me. All right. So first things first, we got the sizes that you put on your poly bags when you're shipping them out. All right, they come in rolls like this. All right, now everything was purchased from Amazon. I'm not an affiliate with Amazon, but I'll leave the links down below on how y'all could cop y'all some of these stickers as well. All right, boom. So that's that. Now the tag gun. I show you guys. I had this for a hot little minute. The tag gun. I'll leave the link for that below as well. Now with the tag gun, don't go crazy. Now, as I said earlier, placement wise, so I'm gonna have to get in his ass about this, because this is the only thing I don't like that he did. He put it in the wrist. He put it in the wrist, right? Now, what I suggest is you guys find a seam. Like, if you're gonna put it in the wrist, put it in the seam right here, so you won't risk having a hole in your garment later on. So you throw it right in the seam, you're not gonna have that problem, you know, down the road. So I gotta talk to him about that, make sure he get that shit straight, because we don't want no cussies complaining like, yo man, I only had my shit for blah blah blah, now I got a hole in it. So we want repeat customers. All right, we don't want no nonsense. All right, so moving right along, the actual hang tags. Boom, I got a box of these joints, and they're not hard to make and they're not hard to obtain. All right, these particular hang tags, they're actually cardboard stock business cards. Okay, I got these joints made from Vistaprint, nice and cheap. Throw your logo up there. You don't need nothing on the back, because the majority of the time the customer is just gonna tear this joint off anyways and throw it away. But it just makes your garment that much more like aesthetic. It looks like more proper and presentable, and just like it's just a good look for the brand. All right, now mine, I throw my website on there. You can, or you can decide to or not throw yours on there. Choose your own path on that joint, but I throw mine on there just in case they do hold on to the actual hang tag. All right, so we got those. Now, stickers, okay? Got the restricted stickers that go on the outside of the poly bag as well. All right, so he had that on his, he had his life purpose joint on there, so I give him an A for that, all right, for the effort. Now, as far as the packaging, the clear poly bags, I picked these joints up from Amazon as well. As far as size, the size I actually got was the 14 by 20s, because the majority of the time, you know, I'm putting big body hoodies in these joints. All right, and that's enough room, you know, to storage the hoodies or whatever else you want to throw in there and ship them out. All right, now those 14 by 20s, I have fit all the way up to 3XL, 4XL, 400, 450 GSM hoodies in these joints and so on and so forth. Ship them out, no problem. All right, now that's pretty much it as far as everything I use material-wise to pack up the garments. And like I said, you can see I showed you my video of how, you know, everything looks once everything is all packaged up and it's ready to go. All right, that's if you're gonna be doing things yourself. But like I said, if you go the cut and sew route, make sure you let the manufacturer know, like, listen, this is what I want when you packaging up my items. You know, I want you can get poly bags with your logo already on them. You don't have to use stickers or whatnot if you don't want to. And they'll throw the size sticker on your poly bags. It's just all about personal preference, what you want and what you communicate if you go on the cut and sew route. But if you're not, if you're making stuff in-house or you got like your own little shop, I would suggest, you know, going out and copping some of the materials that, you know, I got listed here and that I showed you, just like my man did. Now he up and running and I'm proud of him. So I ain't gonna drag this out. This is all I wanted to show y'all for this one, y'all. So until next time, until you send me some of your shit that I could put on display for all my 3,000 plus subscribers to check out, skid it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basic. Pay your time. Stay alert. And remember, choose your own path.